So here's how you can send email with attached file on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. So let's get started. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this. Well, there are two options how you can do this. You either start with the mail and attach the document later, or at first locate the document and then send it as an email. So let's start with the first option. You can open up your mail client of choice. It might be the Apple Mail or any third-party one. So let's get inside and click on the create a new mail icon, right? So you can tap on that, start a new message, and all you have to do is to click on the body of the text where the paperclip icon is going to appear. When you click on that, this allows you to take a photo or attach one from the library, but you can also attach file from the Files app, where you can browse all of the things and attach any documents in any format. It might be a Word, text document, or PDF, or anything else, and you can attach it to the mail, fill out the rest of the thing like the recipient, the subject, body, text, whatever, and send it over. So as I said, that is the first way to do it. The other way is basically starting from the other angle by looking up the file first. So you would go to the Files app, go through your folders, and locate, let's say, the PDF. So you can find it as such, hold down on it and click on share and use the mail application of your choice. Again, if you're using the Apple Mail, you just tap on it as such and it is already going to be attached, right? So it might be attached as just a photo, depends on the document, right? But it might already show up to be part of that message. So that's how you can import it, the other way if you prefer it, a little different. So I hope I could explain it well. I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think below in the comment section. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the future videos as well.